Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make yam stew. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of fresh yams, your choice of protein like fish or beef, and essential aromatics such as 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. You'll also need a can of diced tomatoes, some vegetable oil, and your favorite spices to build a flavorful base. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. Carefully peel about 2 pounds of yams, then cut them into roughly 1-inch cubes for even cooking. Next, prepare your protein. If using fish, cut it into 2-inch pieces. For beef, cube it into 1-inch chunks. Season your protein well with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of your preferred seasoning blend. Lightly brown the protein in a pot with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to develop a rich flavor. With your protein set aside, it's time to build the stew's aromatic base. In the same pot, add 1 more tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 large chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until they are soft and fragrant, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Simmer this mixture for 10 minutes to deepen the flavors, before adding the yams and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once the yams and broth are in, bring the stew to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the yams are fork tender. Reintroduce your pre-cooked protein to the stew for the last 5 minutes of cooking to warm it through. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley and serve your delicious yam stew hot with rice, fufu, or crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.